Costly mistakes to avoid when selling your house. Real estate agent. Hire an agent for expertise and negotiation skills. Incorrect pricing. Don't overprice or underprice. Research and consult with an agent. Repairs and maintenance. Address issues before listing to maintain value. Curb appeal. Enhance exterior appearance for a positive first impression. Home staging. Proper staging showcases your home's potential to buyers. Marketing. Use abundant quality photos and descriptions for effective online promotion. Disclosure. Be transparent about any known problems or defects. Buyer feedback. Make adjustments based on feedback to make your property more appealing. Negotiations. Be flexible and open to reasonable offers during negotiations. Legal and financial details. Understand taxes, closing costs, and legal aspects. Timing. Choose a favorable market time and avoid holidays if possible. Emotional attachment. Approach the sale with a practical mindset for better decisions. Remember, seeking professional guidance is crucial to navigate the complexities of selling a home successfully.